Take a moment to center yourself and focus inward. Envision something you truly desire. In just 72 hours, you can initiate the process of manifesting anything you want. This isn't magic. It's based on how your thoughts shape reality. Everything in your life started as a thought. If your thoughts created your current reality, changing them can transform your future. In the next 72 hours, you'll rewire your brain, creating neural pathways aligned with your desires. It's about combining thought with emotion and inspired action. Your brain doesn't differentiate between external and internal realities. Create a thought so vivid that you feel the emotions of already having what you want. First, get crystal clear on what you want. Be specific. Next, truly feel it. Experience the joy and gratitude. Maintain this feeling throughout your day. Embody the person who already has what you want. This might feel uncomfortable, but that's a sign of growth. Repeat this process over the next 72 hours. Create new neural pathways through repetition. Be fully present and engaged. Limit distractions and reinforce your new reality through journaling, visualization, or meditation. Practice gratitude relentlessly. It aligns you with abundance. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. You're setting things in motion. Take inspired action towards your goals. Listen to your intuition and act on it. Address resistance when it arises. Acknowledge it, then gently refocus on your vision. Use meditation to find clarity and certainty. Pay attention to your words. They shape your reality. Speak as if you already have what you want. Examine your beliefs. Are they supporting or hindering your vision? Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Focus on what you want and why, trusting that the how will reveal itself. Be mindful of where you place your attention. Train yourself to focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Commit fully to your vision, even if you've been disappointed before. Start embodying the identity of someone who already has what you want to manifest. Don't let others' opinions shake your belief. Stay committed to your process. Pay attention to your physical state. It affects your thoughts and emotions. Address any fears of success or failure. Practice forgiveness to free up your energy. Implement habits that align with your vision. Allow yourself to feel negative emotions, then choose to refocus on your vision. Use your imagination vividly and in detail. Be willing to let go of what no longer serves you. Ask for what you truly want without settling. Focus on what's working in your life, not what isn't. Practice patience and trust the process. Listen to your intuition and take inspired action, even small steps. Raise your energy through activities that bring you joy. Practice self-acceptance and embrace your uniqueness. Choose positive expectations and avoid comparing yourself to others. Commit to continuing this practice beyond these 72 hours. Manifestation is about aligning yourself with what you want and allowing it to come to you. You have the power to shape your life and manifest your dreams. Embrace this transformative period. Believe in yourself. It's time to turn your dreams into reality.